Now I would like to show you how to perform a t-test. We want to compare the effect of two treatments, mixed sieved and mixed unsieved, on the trait, for example, length. We are still in the output of the previous calculation, so we go back to the combined data by double-clicking. There you see that the treatments mixed sieved and mixed unsieved are not the only ones. We also have the treatments of these single cultivars. And we first should remove them before we can do the t-test on the two treatments we are interested in. For removing the cultivars, we go to Spread, then Restrict Filter, then to Groups, and then we want to exclude observations from based on the treatments. So we see here the treatments. Now we press the Control button and keep it pressed while we click on the cultivars and we exclude them. So we can say apply. Oh, yeah. So that is exclude and apply. Now we will check, and we see only the treatments sieved and unsieved there. So now we can run the t-test. For running the t-test, we go to Stats, then Statistical Tests, the 1 and 2 sample t-test, and there we have to choose the 2 sample instead of the 1 sample, and for data arrangement it is 1 variate, which is, for example, length, with the group factor, and the group factor is treatment. So let's take the length, and the group factor will be treatment. And then we have to decide whether we want to do a one-sided test, another one-sided test. So this is y1 smaller than y2, and here y1 is bigger than y2. Which of these two is considered y1 or y2 is alphabetical order. So sieved is earlier than unsieved, so that means that we presume that the sieved will lead to smaller values than the unsieved, and here that the sieved will lead to larger values than the y2, than the unsieved. So, or we do two-sided. And then we can run, and then you'll see again in the output the result.